guess I was expecting this. For those of you wondering, this is not Wisconsin. This is Northern Virginia. I hope that my microphone is picking up that wind, just so that you understand. Okay guys, so I've actually muted the video for this portion. Basically all I have is just a night crawler on a hook with a split shot above it. That's what I'm explaining here. The wind was so incredibly bad today. I'm recording this from the comfort of my car at the moment. I'm looking out at the lake. There are still white caps. It is crazy. We're having nearly 50-mile-an-hour winds today. So that's kind of crazy to think about for northern VA. It's nuts. So yeah, so sorry that your ears had to hear that. Just wanted you guys to get a basic idea of how tough the fishing was today. Yeah, it's still beyond me just how windy it is out here. But yeah, basically we're just doing some vertical jigging here, along with just letting it sit on the bottom just to worm, and we're pulling it up through the water column very slowly. It's a method that I really like to use for panfish and perch, unless you consider perch panfish. I don't know. But, yep, just missed a bite there. They have a good amount of fish in here. Believe it or not, if you've ever been to Lake Brittle, Virginia, you might disagree, but there are plenty. There are plenty to be caught. Just got nailed. Oh, God, that's hard. Okay, so they're a little higher than I thought. Yep, so as I said, I was slowly discovering that they were a little bit higher in the water column than I was really expecting them to be, especially for the amount of wind. But they were definitely biting a lot. I switched between jigs and worms a good bit. I'm really trying my best here, guys. Oh, there we go. There's a fish. Oh, yellow perch. Beautiful. Beautiful little yellow perch here. That's actually a decent one. One of the big ones I've gotten out of this lake. They don't have very big ones usually. Here he is, beautiful little yellow. Look at that. Nice. Okay, let's see if we can get some more.